This tab here, Shared Documents, represents DocIntegrator. It's a standalone solution. It can integrate with every ServiceNow application, including our own tasker. However, it does not have its own primary interface. It sort of enhances them. And what it does is it provides SharePoint integration capabilities to every ServiceNow application. So with Shared Documents, this is a tab which everybody on the whole task tree shares. Everybody has the same shared document. You put a file in here, no matter who you are in this task tree, you're able to see this file and work on it together. But in fact, this file lives in SharePoint. You never have to go to SharePoint, but you are authenticated with SharePoint. Right? If we look at this, it's token-based authentication. I'm authenticated as Adam Moskoff into SharePoint. And so these files live in SharePoint, but they're available in ServiceNow. And what I mean by that is I can either left-click on something and open it up, and I can look at this document. I can even use Word Online to fix it, to edit it, to make changes real time. Or I can even take this and open this up on my local Microsoft Word application, come in, make some edits, and do my job. I don't even need to save, right? This document never leaves SharePoint. SharePoint tracks all my changes real time. Anybody else who's coming in and looking at this will see real time my edits being made. And this is really important stuff because not only I can do this, everyone on this task tree can collaborate to work on this exact same hiring policy review document we're putting together in the first place. What that means is instead of being forced to do traditional serial work where I do the first edits, then I send it to John who does his edits, and then he sends it to Catherine who does her edits. Instead, we can open up the document, work on this singular template together simultaneously, see each other's work so we don't step on each other's toes, but then have a single document with parallel work streams going on, taking advantage of all that SharePoint goodness. Of course, at the same time, you don't even need to know SharePoint is there in the first place. The fact is, you just open this up and you're working in Word. And when you're done, you close it and it's saved automatically. So it's very easy for end users to do their work and to collaborate. It takes advantage of all the greatness of SharePoint inside the ServiceNow experience.